Searching for a fun way to earn rewards while you play games? Look no further. In this video, we unveil a free and legitimate GPT app that allows you to get rewarded for your gaming skills. And the best part? It's available worldwide. Don't miss out on a chance to turn your gaming time into something rewarding. Watch now and start playing smarter today. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country and I'll create specific videos tailored to your region. Now, let's get started. Earn while you play? Yes, it's possible. Introducing CARV, the revolutionary free GPT app that transforms your gaming experience into a rewarding adventure. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, CARV allows you to earn real rewards just by playing the games you love. Imagine leveling up in your favorite games and getting paid for it. CARV is trusted by millions of gamers who have already started earning incredible rewards. CARV is a totally legit free GPT app that hooks you up with rewards just for playing games, and the best part? It's available everywhere. To make cash with CARV, just dive into the games available in the app. Head over to the Earn section, choose a game you like, and get started. Each game has a mission you need to complete to snag those rewards. Usually, it's as simple as playing the game for a set amount of time. You can make some extra cash from the app's data events too. Basically, these are just simple tasks you can do to rack up more rewards. Usually, you'll be asked to sign up for a website or app, or maybe try out another mobile game. Once you finish a mission, you'll get the reward that's been set for it. Plus, you can snag extra rewards every day by linking your Steam, MetaMask, X, Discord, and YouTube accounts. CARV provides genuine earning opportunities that allow you to accumulate USDT. Once you've earned a minimum of $1, you have the option to withdraw your USDT to any wallet of your choice. Don't miss out. Download CARV today and turn your gaming sessions into profit. Start earning rewards now. It's free and available worldwide. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried CARV or any other making money apps? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and share your story. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.